blowing out my hair at home with the Dream Cocktail coconut-infused leave-in treatment. So I started off by applying a few pumps to towel-dried hair, focusing mainly on the dry areas of my hair. This also works as a heat protectant and smells amazing. I sectioned out my bangs and roughly dried my hair until it was about 80% dry, and then I used the oval brush attachment to smooth out my hair, brushing in every direction to tame frizz and provide volume. I noticed an immediate difference as I was brushing through my hair. It felt so hydrated and silky, especially considering I just bleached it a month ago. I was shocked. I leave my money pieces for the very end and first concentrate on giving myself a little lift at the roots. Then brush to each side, ensuring that my bangs are pushed forward instead of back. Here is the final look. Such a soft, bouncy 90s blowout with a ton of volume. I cannot believe how soft and silky my hair felt, and truly I've never had a blowout this good. Needless to say, I'm definitely adding Dream Cocktail to my tried and true lineup of products I grab for when I blow out my hair, and I can't wait to try it out on my natural waves next time I wash my hair.